Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're dealing with the E20 error code on your GE dryer from the 2025 models, you're in the right place. This pesky code can be a real headache, but don't worry, I'm here to break it down step by step so you can get your dryer up and running again quickly. First off, let's talk about what the E20 error means. In GE dryers, this code typically indicates an issue with the moisture sensor or a problem with the temperature control system. It might pop up if there's excess moisture detected, a faulty sensor, or even a blockage in the venting system. This is common in 2025 models due to their advanced sensors, but it's usually fixable with some basic troubleshooting. So, why does this happen? Common causes include a clogged lint filter or vent, which restricts airflow and triggers the sensor. Other culprits could be a malfunctioning thermostat, low voltage issues, or even a buildup of lint in the dryer drum. If you've recently moved your dryer or haven't cleaned it in a while, that might be the trigger. Now, let's get into fixing it. Start by unplugging your dryer for at least 5 minutes to reset the system. That's a simple first step and often resolves minor glitches. Next, check and clean the lint filter thoroughly. Make sure it's free of any buildup. Then, inspect the venting system. Ensure it's not blocked or kinked, as poor ventilation is a major cause. If you're comfortable, you can use a vacuum to clear out any debris from the exhaust path. If that doesn't work, test the moisture sensor. You'll need to access it. Consult your user manual for your specific 2025 model. Gently clean it with a soft cloth, but if it looks damaged, it might be time to replace it. Remember, always prioritize safety. Work with the power off and avoid DIY if you're unsure. If you've tried these steps and the error persists, it's best to call a professional technician. They can diagnose any deeper electrical issues and ensure everything's up to code. There you have it, your guide to tackling the GE Dryer E20 error code. I hope this helps you save time and money. If it did, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more appliance tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.